Hello and very warm welcome. My name is Sebastian and we want to talk today about Amazon Bedrock. This will be a series of videos with Amazon Bedrock, so stay tuned also for the other content. And at first we want to know why we will use it actually. So in our console, we are here right now. Important is I'm here in the region US East 1 and we go here in the search bar and search for Bedrock. There it comes. Let's wait a moment until it opens. Oh, it's loading. And actually, what is it? So when you would prepare for your AI practitioner exam on AWS, you would already heard of Amazon Bedrock. But for all which are not so much familiar with it, just we go shortly to the documentation. There we go. And Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that makes high-performing foundation models from leading AI companies in Amazon available for use through a unified API. You can choose from a wide range of foundation models, we will also see this then, to find a model that is best suited for your use case. Amazon Bedrock also offers a broad set of capabilities to build generative AI applications with security, privacy, and responsible AI. Using Amazon Bedrock, you can easily experiment with and evaluate top foundational models for your use cases, privately customize them with your data using techniques such as fine-tuning and retrieval augmented generation, shortly RAG, and build agents that execute tasks using your enterprise systems and data sources. So in a nutshell, your go-to service when it comes down to foundational models. We all know them, they are all around. So GPTs, then Anthropic, Amazon by itself with its foundational models, or Meta with Llama. So we will see also in the other videos a little bit how to explore them. So you can think of, so you can experiment with prompts and configure these in playgrounds. You can augment responsive generation, so you can create knowledge bases and use them as RAG. You can create applications, so then you are building the agents. You can adapt models to specific tasks and domains with training data, so you can even customize these foundational models. You can improve your foundational model-based applications efficiency and output, so when you use them, that you use provision throughput. You determine the best model for your case, so you can evaluate these, compare these models, and then see what's best fitting for you. Important is also prevent inappropriate or unwanted content. So we come later also to the guardrails, which is an important topic when it comes to LLMs. And we can optimize the foundational models latency. So how to then get faster responses. That's the documentation from Amazon to it. And when we go here in the console, you will first see here on the left side how to get started, the overviews. We can have here the providers. So these are the providers of the foundational models you can find in Amazon Bedrock. So AI21 Labs, Amazon by itself, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Meta, Stability AI, and so on. And when we go here a little bit further, we have here then the model catalog, we have marketplaces, we can use custom models, import models, we can have playgrounds where we can chat with the foundational models or do image generation. Then it comes down here to the builder tools like agents, we can build flows, we can build up knowledge bases, RAGs to improve the knowledge of our model. We can implement, like we spoke about already, safeguards with guardrails and watermark detection. For inference and assessment, so we can use then provision throughput or batch inference, cross-region inference and evaluation. And then we have also data automation. And on the ground here, this is important, or below, you have Bedrock configuration. And this is what we first now do. So before you even can use one of these playgrounds or marketplaces, you have to make the model accessible. So we click here to model access. Then all the models will be here loaded, and you can see that I have already some with access granted. But we want to have more models available. As you can see, some of them are now also available, but just after we requested it. And when you see, yeah, every time comes new models, so it's important when you use them that you make here modify model access. Then you click here to everything on them, and it's also here. And then click, do we have here everything from Llama also? Yep. And DeepSeek. It's a little bit weird here. We want actually all models, yeah. So let's see if it's working. Okay, then we go to next. So we request the access, submit. And then we have to wait until the access is granted. For some it goes fast, for some it will take a moment. And until this is now running, so we submit it here. You already see it's not currently available. So this happens for us. But some of them will come when we can access them. So yes, here I think we get here now more of also of the neo versions of Amazon. That's fine. And as long as you have the access granted, you can then also use these foundational models. And when it comes to models, give me here the last point. We go back to our providers. For instance, we go here to Amazon. So you can click into it. And then after a short loading period, we will have an overview about the models from Amazon which we can get. So here's the overview. So you can get Nova Micro, a text-only model, Nova Lite, Nova Pro, Nova Canvas, Nova Real. And here you also have again the models. 16 are now available. And Titan Text G1 is a text generation model. Text to image models we have. Agents, chat optimized foundational models. Text to video, image to videos. Text to image, image to image. So different types of models, of foundational models which we can later use to create even text, chat with the model, or we create images or videos like we want to have. Okay, that's the first overview on Bedrock, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.